All right guys, Nick here with Obsessed Garage with our new mobile cart solution for the CR Spotless. So if you've ever seen our wall mount solution or custom install, you're probably familiar with our package we build out for the CR Spotless that includes Prevost piping. Well, this is basically exactly that, except this is the mobile cart version. So this would be really good for people who can't wall mount their CR or even mobile detailers. This is for people who want the ability to choose between using DI water or regular water in the middle of a wash. So for instance, while you're foaming, doing your initial rinse, obviously you wouldn't want to use DI, and then whenever you're doing your final rinse, you're going to want to use DI. So all it is 3 valves with some Prevost pipe, and whenever you want to use your DI water, you'll simply close this valve on the back and then open up these 2 in the front. Water will route through the CR and then come out the outlet on the back. And then whenever you don't want to use DI anymore, all you do is close these 2 valves, and then we can open this one in the back, and then water will come through the inlet, pass straight through, out to the outlet. We included some quick disconnects on here as well, so you can quick disconnect straight into your garden hose. Now, we decided to not include garden hoses in this package because obviously it's different for every situation. We do have garden hoses on the website, so you can get specific lengths. You can even get custom lengths if that's something you need. So we'll actually have a cut guide for the individual lengths of pipes you need to put this together, both in the pictures and in the description for this product. But I would recommend using that just sort of as a guide and not as absolute law. Prevost pipe, you know, if you're not familiar with it, we have a video on the specifics or the basics on how to connect them. But again, don't use it as law. Use it as more of a guide. Remember, you're only getting 2 pieces of pipe with this, so if you cut it too short, you're going to have to order more. But yes, this is an excellent package. It's something people have been asking for a long time, and it gets you away from using the jank and the cheap PVC pipe setups.